Star, baby. January 2026. 2026. 2026. Yes, this is good.
He always cooking.
Lord, pour your blood, Lord. Oh, my dry bones, Lord. I love the rain, Lord. It's glory, Lord. I would never accept the mark of peace, Lord. Cause I love you, Lord. Cause you sitting in Haiti for 3 days, Lord. Getting the keys to hell. Taking Luther, throw it away. That's glory, Lord. Pour your blood on my dry bones, Lord. I love the rain, Lord. It's glory, Lord. I would never accept the mark of the beast. And my cousin Nick dropped, he would never accept the mark of the beast. My whole family, we would never accept the mark of the beast. You could take the mark of beast, you could shove it down your throat. You could choke on the dough. For all I care, though. Lord, pour your blood, Lord, on my dry bones, Lord. Pour your blood on my dry bones, Lord. I love the rain, Lord. I love the rain, Lord, cause it's glory, Lord. But Lord, I would never accept the mark of peace, Lord. Because it ain't no good, Lord, like you said, Lord. Lord. Pour your blood, Lord, on my dry bones, Lord. I love the rain, Lord. It's glory, Lord. I would never accept the mark of the peace, Lord. Because I love you, Lord. Because, Lord, you died on the cross for my sin, Lord. And you sent it to Haiti for 3 days, Lord. Getting the keys to hell, Lord. And taking Luther, throw it away. That's glory, Lord. Lord, pour your blood on my dry bones, Lord. I love the rain, Lord. It's glory, Lord. And my wife, Lord, she would never accept the mark of beast. And my son also, he would never accept the mark of the beast. And Iris, she would never accept the mark of the beast. And Corey, she would never accept the mark of the beast. Trap Star, baby, 863 bound.